This hat has a mind of its own. Never saw this hat before. Come to the note. Whoever wears this hat better tell the truth, otherwise the hat will. What? Just one of the kids? It fits. All right. I guess I won't lie. Fucking bullshit.
Hey, Vic.
Son of a bitch.
What are you doing?
Don't you knock?
Garage door's open. I'm the nosy neighbor. I just walked in.
So just because the garage door is open, you just walk in like that? You scared the shit out of me.
Sorry. What are you doing?
I'm organizing the garage. Don't you have anything to do, Alan?
Nah, it's Sunday. I went shopping. I'm home. Ready to watch football. Hey, Vic. You know all the videos we do about the nosy neighbor? Do you really think of me as the nosy neighbor?
No, Alan. I just call you the nosy neighbor because, for the videos. You're a great guy. I love you. You're the best neighbor anybody could have. You're a good dude, man. I love you, man. Why do you say that?
Vic, if I'm such a good neighbor, why you got asshole streaming across your hat?
What?
Looking at me.
No, don't pay attention. This hat has a mind of its own.
208, Vic.
208? How could that be? I've been working out like an animal and I'm gaining weight.
Did you stick to the diet plan that I wrote up for you?
Yes.
I don't know, Vic. Are you sure? What did you eat this morning?
I had 2 egg whites with some avocado, a little avocado on a whole wheat piece of toast. Laura, why would I want to lie to you? Why are you staring at my hat? Thank you. Now, you're the best mailman we've ever had. Honestly. So you're saying you could fix the toilet, right? Okay. Hey, can you blow after you weed whack? Oh, wow. You're selling Girl Scout cookies? That's so sweet. Making a fool out of me in front of all my friends and family. Oh, yeah? I'll show you this fucking hat. You're an ugly hat anyway. I'd rather wear a Yankee hat. Fucking hat. Yeah, there you go. Now what are you gonna do, you piece of shit hat? There you go. Now you're fucking done. Pooh! Fuck you! So how great was I in the sack last night?
Oh, yeah, you were great.